Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create and develop a new habit on the TickTick application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Log in by using your Touch ID or passcode. And tap on the three dots icon down below in the right side corner and tap on the first icon in the More section. Tap on the plus icon down below in the right side corner of the screen, and as you can see you can create a new habit by tapping on the Create a New Habit button, but here you can select from the suggested ones. There is the life category and health category as well. So if you have found one of these preset habits that you want to add, tap on the plus icon next to it, select an icon, or you can also type in some kind of text, add the quote to it, and if you have chosen the text icon you can type in the content, change the color of it, and then type in your quote and click on next down below. Here you should select the frequencies such as daily, weekly, interval. You should also pick the days from Monday to Sunday. Type in your goal, such as achieve it all or reach a certain amount, and you should select the daily goal. And when checking, you should select from auto, manual, or complete all, and also you should select the record. Tap on done. Goal days, forever, 7 days, 21 days, and so on. Here you can select from these options, tap on the button done. You should also select the section such as morning, afternoon, night, and add reminders. You have this auto pop-up of habit log function. You can turn this on if you want to. Tap on save in order to add your new habit to your schedule. It will appear here as you can see. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.